Alright, to start off this haircut, I got my number 2 guard on my magic clip, and before I get into the fade, I'm just going to take away all the unnecessary bulk just so I can see where I set off my guidelines. Alright, I got my Slimline Pros, and I'm going to start this bald line at the sideburn area. Not too high because you want to keep the hooks in there, and as I go over the ear, I am dropping the bald line to give it that drop fade look. Now I got my foil shavers, and I'm going to go ahead and bald out just beneath that bald line. Using my wall magic clips with the no guard lever all the way open, you want to go up just about an inch. Now I'm going to create another guideline using the number 1 guard with the lever all the way open, still going up about another inch. Now I'm going back to the no guard, but this time I got the lever all the way closed, and I'm going to go up about a 1/4 inch on this bottom line. Now I'm going to open my lever up halfway, and I'm going to go up another 1/4 inch on this bottom line. As I finish up this no guard open lever guideline, I'm going to go ahead and open and close my lever just to clean up anything I see along the way. So I got my number 1 guard with the lever all the way closed, and I'm just going to soften up that next guideline because when I do come in with the half guard, it makes it so much easier to blend out that line. Okay, now I got my half guard. And I'm going to start off with the lever halfway open and work my way down little by little just to blend out that bottom line. Okay, so as you can see, we got one more guideline to get rid of. So I got my 1.5 guard, and I'm gonna go ahead and soften up this last guideline. Finish off this last guideline, I got the number 1 guard, and I'm gonna start off with the lever open, but I will be going back and forth with the lever open and closed just to smooth out this last line. Now that I am done with the fade, I am going to go ahead and pick his hair out. And you want to make sure you pick your client's hair out really good before you start the shape up. So right here I'm going to brush the front of my client's hair down because I will be going in on it. And I'm going to take my 1.5 guard and go with the grain just to knock down the bulk for a crispier lineup. Now I'm going to put some hairspray on my client's hairline, and I'm also going to blow dry it just so it's nice and stiff for the lineup. Now that the hairspray is nice and dry and his hair is stiff, it's time to give my client a crispy lineup. And no, I'm not pushing him back. As you can see, his natural line is right there. The hair is just really laid down. Oh, wait. Let me tell you about the cordless liners that I'm using today. These are called the Retro T-Cuts, and they're by Walls. And so far, these are the best cordless liners I ever tried. Like, man, these are really hitters, man. I tried the cordless T-Outliners the other day, and those were trash, man. I personally think these are way better. Go ahead and check them out in the link in my bio. I think I got them on Amazon for like 80 bucks. So yeah, back to the lineup. So I got this product right here. It's called Napping Cream Paste, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some in my client's hair, and I'm gonna curl sponge it for some nice curls. Thank you guys so much for watching my transformation video of this high top drop fade. If you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and like, subscribe, and also comment below. And to keep updated on any upcoming videos, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at ReallyBoBarber and book your next appointment with me on Booksy.